Hello everybody, this is Sonia. I'm in Australia. It's Saturday here today and raining, miserable, but I guess it's what it's like in winter time, isn't it? Now yesterday my husband was expecting a parcel, so when the lady come to the door with a parcel and said something about what's your name, and he said Jeremy, and she passed him this, and he thought it was what he was expecting, so he tore the top of it open very quickly and then said, oh, this is not mine. So I have another Happy Mail. It's the biggest Happy Mail ever. Look at the parcel here that Annette has sent me. Again, another parcel from this lovely lady. Keeps on sending me most amazing gifts, and I really appreciate it so much. She's such a generous person. I have lots of those generous people on here, so I'm going to just take out a bit at a time and see what we got, okay? So I'm going to have to sit it down next to me because I cannot really get it up here on this. Look at the size of it. Wait a minute, I might be able to go out a bit. There you go. There's a parcel. There's my parcel. Thank you so much for my Happy Mail. I've getting lots of Happy Mail lately. I'm very thankful for that. I've got a tin. All good. I don't think she put I don't know if there's a card in there. We'll come across that, I imagine, directly. Oh, the tin's nice, isn't it? Oh, look at this. Oh, and I've got these papers on here because this will stop the glare, see? Yeah, and look at these. I can make flowers. Oh, look at them. She did all these and she gave them to me. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at the colours. Wow, I've never done this sort of thing. Never sat there and tried to burn stuff. Oh, look, aren't they pretty? And so many. Thank you very, very much, Annette. You are so nice. Lady's name is Annette Cohen. She doesn't have a YouTube channel, but she's a very, very lovely crafter. She does beautiful work. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Aren't these lovely? Thank you so much for these. I'm going to have some fun with them, aren't I? These will probably be some really nice things to put in my gypsy books too, because I'm still working on them, of course. Look at the pretty colours. Oh, isn't that nice? Thank you so much for all. Look at them all. Thank you. That's very kind of you, Annette. Thank you very much. Somewhere to put these when I've done that. Just sit that one there. I might have to find... I've got no room. See, I spread out a bit now. Oh, look at this one. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, look, here's a cover for a journal. Look at that. Wow. Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you. It might have been a pillowcase or something maybe, because I've seen, in the past, I've seen them like, yeah, no, you put your pillow in there? No. Must be just a, oh yes, see, there's a place for your pillow. Oh, thank you. Isn't this awesome? That's beautiful. It's already made for you, isn't it? The ideas are really good too. I love the way that this is going through there and couched down. That looks really nice, doesn't it? That's an idea for me. Look, see? You just put your piece of fabric down, or your wool, or whatever you want to use, and there's just strips of thread or sari silk, and then you just couch it down. That means just put a thread over the top of it, and there's lots of little sequences on that as well. That is really nice. Thank you so much for that. I'm going to put that there where my gypsy journal is, at the side there, because maybe these little bits come off it. That happens though when you've got these really pretty things with little tiny diamonds on. Oh, I've got the material. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. Oh, look at these. Hang on. Hang on, look, there's more. More. Annette. You want me to make all this into something, do you? Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. He's got lots of material in here. Ah. This'll make me some journals, won't it? Oh, there's more. There is more, people. Look. It's oh, dear. Look. It's awesome. There's a pile of high here. I'm still going. There's other stuff in here too, but there's all this fabric. Wow. She wanted me a note. I'm looking for a note. Oh my goodness me, you should see what's in this bag. Oh dear. I meant you might see it if I stop fiddling around here for a minute. I'll just get out. Oh, there's so much beautiful stuff in here. Thank you. Oh, look at all this fabric. Oh, look at these. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. And it feels so nice too. Look at it. Oh, you should feel that's beautiful. It's so soft. It feels velvety. Looks a bit velvety too, eh? There's a plain one. There's what's the name pieces? Fabric, furniture pieces. Aren't they awesome? Oh, love these colours. Love the colours. Look at all this. Oh, wow. Thank you so much. Now, this is a journal in the making, isn't it, really? All these beautiful pieces. Thank you. I'll just see how big they are. They must be all about the same. Look at that. Oh, I don't know how many times I've went to our store here where they don't actually make curtains anymore, but they sell them and people, people have to order them. And that lady says, oh, just go them to the charity or just put them in the bin, or there's always just something. And never have I been there, and she was appreciative. She wouldn't let me have any. Just weird the world, like it used to be like that once, did it? Look at this. Oh, no. Never have to worry about going again. Look at that. These would make beautiful little journals, wouldn't they? And put some beads on and... Oh, dear. I could stay up all night. I could do... Oh, look at this. I can't wait. I said to Jeremy a while ago, I can't wait for the warm weather. Because my body just doesn't like this. It's just not happy at all. Oh, look at that. I love that too. Isn't that beautiful? I can make lots of things, lots and lots of things. Look at all these bits. Ooh. Look at them. They're nice ones, shiny. Beautiful they are. Oh, wow. You must have come across something that was somewhere that you... From all these. Look at them all. Aren't they lovely? Thank you so much. I'm just making a... Oh, wow. It's material. Lots of material. Look at this one here. Look at the texture. The texture on them is beautiful. Come on, there's things I can make. I'm going to have to think of it. I'll think of it. I sit here and look through my stuff, and that's how I come up with ideas. Well, sometimes I do. Sometimes I just go straight ahead and try to do something. But look at them, aren't they lovely? Thank you so much for all this beautiful stuff. I love fabric. I do. I just absolutely love it. It's really nice. Look at these. Look at them. Oh, look at this. Just the right size, isn't it? Make journals out of. These are beautiful. Look at all the colours. Oh, I love that. Wow. All the different coloured greys and creams. When somebody says cream, you don't realise that there's so many different... This one's got leaves and trees on this, or palms. And that one, and that one. Ooh. Thank you so much. Oh dear, these are good. Thank you. You spoil me, you do, lady. You really spoil me. You do. You spoil me something rotten. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I've got this one here. Let me show you. This is a great big piece. Look. This is a nice big piece. Look at it. Isn't that? I don't know what that is. A backing behind it, I suppose. It would be on the chair or whatever, maybe. Could be a curtain. Look at these ones too. Oh. So they're all the creams and grey colours, eh? Oh, look at that. That'd be awesome on the cover of a journal with flora and fauna. There's another one. Oh, look at that one. Aren't they nice? Thank you so very, very much for these. They are so awesome. You know what, though? I've got to find somewhere to put them now. That's okay. That's okay. I can find somewhere to put them. Yep. Surely can. Poor hubby. He thought it was his parcel. Actually, his arrived later in the afternoon, so that was good. Look at them all. Look at all this material. Thank you very, very much. I really appreciate that. That's so lovely of you. I'm just going to have to find somewhere to sit them for a minute. I need a box. I do need a box. Do I have a bag? No, I don't have a bag either. Wait a minute. I'll put these down here next to me, and then I'll put them back in the bag for a little while till I find a box. I can put them over there in that drawer, actually. I've got a drawer across the other side of the room there. I'm going to... Hubby's going to put together a couple of little cupboards and make me a thing to put my machine on. That's like a sewing, you know, a little sewing cupboard to put my machine on. I'm explaining that well, aren't I? Now, let me see what else I've got in here. Oh, more fabric. Oh, dear. More fabric. Oh, wow. Look at this lace. Oh, that'll look really good in my book, won't it? Oh, look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Thank you. And this. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. Stars on the calico. So nice. Oh. And these are so lovely. Thank you so much. Oh, I do love this too. Oh, look at this. Right, we'll be chopping bits out. We're definitely going to be cutting pieces off. I've been wanting to make a house book, you know, house journal. I've been wanting to make a house journal. People who can read my mind, unless I've said something about it and then I forgot about it. Forgot what I said. That is beautiful. I love that. There's the woolly cat hook rugs. There's flowers in that one, and there's angel pie there. Well, that's what they call it. That's what the name of the shops are. Salt Box Gift Shop. Really beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm going to leave that piece out because I'm going to use that piece. I'm going to use that piece on my beautiful journal there that I'm doing. It's a lovely piece. What else have I got in here? Oh, look, oh. He sent me a paper pad with the fairies on. Oh, geez, they look good. Oh, thank you. Oh, wow. Oh, Annette, why did you do this? This is so good. Thank you, darling. That's so kind of you. Oh, dear. Oh, my goodness me. This is really pretty, isn't it? Oh, look. Look, everybody. Oh, look, it's got tag templates. Oh, isn't this lovely? Thank you so much. Oh, dear. Isn't this nice? Oh, wow. Looks like I'm going to make another one of these books. Another, well, fairy one. I think I did one fairy one time. I did a things with wings. Look at these. Aren't they lovely? Oh, my goodness me. Look. Oh, they got two sides. Oh, look at the other side. This is graphic 45 paper. This is beautiful paper. They've got two sides. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Oh, my goodness gracious me. Oh, dear, thank you so... I'm looking under there, I'm not even showing you. Not even showing you, you know what I mean? Oh, this is lovely, isn't it? Beautiful. Oh, wow. Oh, there's not enough hours in a day for me. I'm going to have to start doing more hours. I have to start working more hours. So that's got a stripe on it, and this has got a nice apricot colour. And this is beautiful with the apricot and the yellow coloured pieces. Oh, look at these. Ooh. Oh, I can see this. I can see a lace, fairy lace journal, I can. Oh, I can see a lace thing coming in. That's beautiful. Thank you so very much. And that's got spots. And this one here is, oh, isn't it nice with bubbles? Wow. Oh, this is going to keep me awake now, worrying about what I'm going to make out of this. It's okay. Nobody panic. I'm sure I'll be managing just fine. I was looking the other day and didn't get there. You know how you go to look for something and you get down a rabbit hole and you can't find it. Are these a sticker or are these a what's the name? What's she up there? They must be stickers. Oh, that's a good idea, isn't it? Then I can just put them bits of trim on things. Yeah, I went down a rabbit hole because I went looking for something and got sidetracked. And I wanted to see if I could find some plain papers. Pretty colours, you know, like these. Yeah, that's what I was after. This is what I was after. Let me see. Look, stuff like that. Because I want to use some for backgrounds. I've got some stuff there that I like, and I can use. Oh dear, I don't like these. These sticky ends. I usually fold them over because it doesn't matter if they're not sealed again if the whole thing's put back in there. But I think I've got some going some way and some back the other, and I've got a feeling it only fits in one way. Do you reckon? Do you think I can get that in? I don't think so. Oh dear, I don't want to put that way. Because they're not sort of square, are they? I think there's another one there to turn over. That one. And these. I must have put one back one way and one back the other all the way I went there. Oh, I don't have to ever go thrifting again, do I? Don't have to do that again. It's good. It's a part of the process, though, of crafting too, is to find things, add to stuff. You know, you can use all these beautiful things and then add the old and the new together, or whatever. You know, they all go. The second things that you get. Thank you so much. I have got more standing up in the cupboard over here, but I'm not going to hide that one too far away from me because I want to use that again. I've got more stuff here. Everybody, look, there's more stuff in here. Oh, wow. I think you might, we might be thinking about making a journal, eh? With the fairies in it. There's one of these books with all the fairy pictures. That's pretty. Oh, dear. The only thing wrong with these, you know, they print them with a pretty picture on both sides. You know, they're beautiful, but you've got to figure out then which one you want to keep, don't you? Look at that. Thank you so much for this book. Oh, I love that one. I have smaller ones that I've got in little books. I have smaller pictures, but these are a good size for a page, or put a pocket in. That's just absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much. And in here I've got birds. I love birds. Oh, wow. Isn't that cool? Maybe I'll have my heater on. Doesn't seem to be doing much. It's a bit chilly today. These are really nice. Thank you so much. And I've got says thank you. Please accept the gift. Oh, I've got some. Oh, look at this. I thought that was open, but I could make it that way. Oh, look. They're all different sorts. I've got envelopes. Oh, thank you. I love them. And these are stickers. Well, that one is. And here's your note paper. Is that right? You must write on that bit. Must write on this bit. Oh, aren't they beautiful? And then you have some stickers and some envelopes, and they all go together. Isn't that lovely? Thank you so much for that. It's so beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, Annette. That's lovely. Thank you so much. Get right down here into the bottom of the bag. Nothing fell out on the floor, did it? I thought I had another packet here. Must have dropped it, did I? I must have had another packet with some paper in it. Can't see it anywhere. I'll have to go and see if I can get Jeremy to find it for me. Look at this, I've got glue. I got heaps of glue. Thank you so much. Thank you, Annette. I really appreciate all this. I'm sure that there was another little packet here somewhere. Well, I put it down. I might have took it out when I might have dropped it out of there. Anyway, I'll go look. So thank you, everybody, for watching. And I will talk to you later. And thank you so much, Annette, for this lovely gift. Thank you. Bye-bye.